Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $15 every 10 minutes fast. Now, this is very simple to do and it's available worldwide. So wherever you're living at, you won't have any problems doing this method. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And also give me a like. It really helps out this channel and helps out this video. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on in the comments below. And also, if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today, leave that in the comment section also. Now, please watch this all the way to the very end, guys. Don't skip at all. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm at this website. It's called Mini URL. And on this website, they pay you to shorten URL links. So you're going to get paid. You're going to earn money to shorten URL links. And let me show you how this works. So I'm just going to go over here to this page, to this website here. It's called WikiHow. And I went ahead and typed in how to make pasta. So this came up. I'm going to go ahead and copy the link. Go back to Mini URL. Paste that link in there. See how long it is? Now I shorten it out. So that's how that works. Now, once you shorten your link, you probably want to know how you're going to drive traffic to that link so you can make some money. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to use YouTube. So we're going to go ahead and go to YouTube and we're going to go to the trending tab and look for popular video. Let's go over there right now. Okay, so I'm at the trending tab and I went ahead and looked up home life hacks. You know, people are at home, so they probably want to find out a lot of different hacks they can use to do some cleaning around the house or do all different type of things that you have to do inside the home. So this one is trending. It has 211,000 views. So I'm gonna go ahead and go there, copy that link, go to back to Mini URL, go ahead and paste that link in there, shorten it out. So I shorten out the link, copy that link, and we're going to go back to YouTube. So since we looked up, we're using the video about home life hacks, we're going to go ahead and search home life hacks for some other videos. So you search some other videos. As you can see, there's a lot of videos about life hack, and you see that video that we just copied is right there. So we're going to go to some other videos, and we're going to go over here in that to that video. We're going to go to the comments section, and we're going to type, check out this home hack. Let's see, it's cool and shocking. So, and then I'll just go ahead and put that link right there, and they're gonna check it out, because I'm using the buzzword shocking. When people see that word shocking, they want to check it out. So this video is real popular. It's getting 388,000 views, and this is a very popular channel, which is called 5-Minute Craft. So you see they have 17 million subscribers. So a lot of people are going to be still checking out this video, even though it was out back in July. And you can also try to find another video that's more recent too. But you always want to go to the trending page and get a trending video, copy that link, shorten it, go to one of these videos and make a comment and put the link there. Now, you probably want to know how much money you're going to make. So let me go back to mini URL. Let's go to publisher rates. And there's the rates right there. And these are the countries that will pay out. So if you were Germany, you're going to get paid out $2. Canada, you have to be on mobile to get paid out. United States, desktop and mobile. Australia, desktop and mobile. But they do have, say, wide world deals, all countries. So all other countries, desktop $2 and mobile $2. So what you're going to do is, as you see here, say we pay a minimum of 1.8 per 1,000 views. So if you're getting paid 1.8 or $1.08 or $2, and you get a lot of views, let's say you get, about 8,000 people click on there. So if 8,000 people click on there, you're going to get $8. So let's say, if you get 10,000 clicks or views, that's going to be $10. You get 15,000 clicks, that's $15. And that shouldn't take no time, because if you're using a popular video and people are going to click on there because they want to know what that link is, they want to know what you're talking about, and they're probably going to be very interesting. They're going to be very very curious about what you're talking about once you put down that comment. So it's all about the words that you use in the comment section of those popular videos that will make people click on that link. So that's how that works. And if you're ready to go ahead and start making money with mini URL shortening links, go ahead and go to miniurl.io. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now and start making $15 every 10 minutes. So go ahead and sign up with that website, follow those steps, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me and help me to get 50 likes. I know I asked for 50 likes in all my videos, because the more likes I get, the more YouTube will push this video out there to more people to view. Now, more people I get, that means more potential subscribers. because I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers, guys. I'm ready to get there to 3,000 subscribers because I want to give out this free money to somebody. So help me get there by only hitting that like button for me. And please type hashtag get your grind on, because that's the only way you'll be able to win that free money. So type hashtag get your grind on in the comment section below. And if you have any questions about what I talked about today, leave that also in the comments below. And please share this all around the internet, because I'm trying to help everybody I can to make this money online so we can be financially free, guys. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, Grind family, thank you for your support. I really do appreciate it, because I really want to keep dropping this content. So as long as you guys support me, I'm going to keep dropping this content and keep giving away some free money. All right, guys, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.